welcome back to my channel. January flew by pretty fast and I can't believe it's almost February. I also can't believe I have one more month till I give birth, and this might be one of my last Plan With Me for a couple of months. Back in December, I'll probably be done around 3 to 4 p.m. and right now around 2 to 3 p.m. But I'm excited to share this month's Plan With Me video. Might be one of my last ones for 3 to 6 months, so we'll see how that goes, and I can't wait to share more. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator. And if you like anything desk, tech, productivity, lifestyle videos, any of that or all of that, make sure you're subscribed. And without further ado, let's get in. Okay, so let's start off with Life with Holly updates and my goals. First off, in my last Plan With Me video, which I will link up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out if you haven't already, I did mention that I wanted to do 2 to 3 posts a week, mainly 2 posts for Instagram and TikTok, and whatever I can do extra third post for TikTok. And I've definitely been motivated this month to do that, so I've been doing even more than 3 posts a week. I believe I do 2 for Instagram for sure, and then around 1 to 2 extra videos for TikTok. Also, this month, TikTok was banned for 12 hours, and in the beginning, I wasn't too worried about it because I am giving birth soon. I didn't feel too pressured, but other than that, I still love TikTok, and I can't wait to keep sharing on TikTok also. For the month of February, TikTok has definitely always been more laid back with filming. I can use my phone. Instagram just has to be super pretty. I always use my nice camera, which is the one you're on right now. But for TikTok, I'm able to film with my phone. Lower quality content is not that bad, and I just feel like it's more free and allow me to do other videos to test out and see what I like and what my followers like and the For You page likes. So I guess it's good it didn't get banned and I can still do a little bit of that. I ended up moving my desk from one side to the other side, so I swapped it with my sofa. It's been feeling more cozy and I feel like the space is more utilized a little bit better, so I'm excited to be using this new kind of setup. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll make sure to link it up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. But it was my last video. So now let's get to what's gonna happen in February. So I'm actually due at the end of February, so I can be popping out anytime in February, you never know. But the main thing that I want to continue finishing up is cleaning out and reorganizing some stuff. I still have a box of stuff that I didn't know how to deal with, so I just put it in a box. But that stuff I gotta deal with very, very soon. I'm also thinking of having some wall decor for my desk and for my sofa. The sofa is pretty bare right now, and then the desk also has a lot of bare spaces that I would like to fill. And then last but not least, I'm going to be continuing my 2 to 3 posts a week. If I can do more, I can do more. If I can't, that's totally fine. I also wanted to experiment on different angles and kind of challenge myself to do something a little bit different rather than my normal video. I have been a lot more motivated the last month, so hopefully I can do a little bit more of that. Since this might be the last Plan With Me for a little bit, here are some things that I also want to do in the next couple of months. If I have some downtime or I really want to do some work and just sit on my desk setup, I would like to start adding my photos on Pinterest. I do that here and there, but then it's just really time consuming and I definitely need to get into it so I can be seen more on Pinterest. Next, I also want to do more photos for my desk setup so I can upload them on my website and even post them throughout the time that I'm taking care of baby. And then last but not least is update my link in bio, which is I use beacons. Just go through the links and just take out some of the old stuff that I've had for a while now, because I just feel like there's just such a long list of stuff that people are getting confused and can't find things when they're looking for it, and just keep the more popular ones out. And yeah, that is my plan for the next couple of weeks and months. But yeah, that's a little update for Life with Holly Lifestyles. My favorite part of the video is always talking about my planner and planner update. So I'm still using my half-liter discount. This is going to be my all-in-one planner. It's going to have all my stuff related to home, Life with Holly Lifestyles, and even a little bit of Poi Hun stuff, because I created this planner when I decided that I'm probably going to be staying at home for a long time. We're taking care of baby, so I wanted something that is not separate. It's actually all in one so that I can keep everything together. Usually I do separate my planners, like I have my own Life with Holly planner, I have my Poi Hun planner that I usually have at work, and then usually I don't really have much home things I need to do with the personal stuff, and I usually just add that in my Life with Holly lifestyle planner. But now things are going to be separated, so there's that. If you haven't watched that video yet, I did share a planner setup video for 2025. Make sure to link that up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out so you can see all my planner plans and how I set this up. Second thing is I also started my goal planning. So I had some goal planning sheets that I did share in my last plan with me video, but I haven't filled it out. But then I did a reset for 2025 video and we actually went through it, explained a little bit more in that video. So if you also haven't seen that video yet, I'll make sure to link it up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. But I've been looking at my little goals here and kind of integrating it into my weekly planning. So there is that. In my to-do section, I have 4 tabs here. I have a miscellaneous for any brainstorm. I have inbox for anything that I just want to jot down, like stuff that I want to do, whether it's for Poi Hun, for Life with Holly. I haven't had a chance to do any of this stuff yet, so hopefully I can do that soon. There's also a scheduling area, which I was going to plan to write down all my video ideas and kind of schedule that, but I haven't also done that either. And then the last section is project planning, which I also haven't touched. So this section, the to-do section over here, I haven't been touching because I've been more focused on working with the weekly layout from the 2025 monthly and weekly inserts. I've been just testing it out, making sure I like it, find a groove on how to use this, and then hopefully this month I will fill out the other stuff because soon I'm going to need it because baby's going to be out and I'm going to need to plan my life in here fully because I'm still using my Poi Hun planner as I go, but I'm definitely going to need this very, very soon. So hopefully from now until I give birth, I'm going to have some time to write down any notes, any running to-do lists that I can do when I have time, and just prep myself to get some work done when I'm bored and just need a little bit of alone time. So those are the 4 kind of tabs that I will be looking at in my to-do section. It's going to be mixed with Life with Holly lifestyle stuff and Poi Hun stuff, and maybe a little bit of home stuff. And yeah. Last but not least, I've been using my monthly calendar a lot. There's been a lot of appointments for baby recently, so I have everything here at a glance. I don't even use my Notion calendar as much or Google Cal as much. I just have everything here so I can see everything at a glance, and when I schedule it, I just look and I'll be like, oh, I'm available this time, I'm not available this time. And it's just been really nice to kind of see everything all at a glance because normally I don't have much appointments and stuff. So it's nice to see that I actually have stuff to do. And then in the weekly section, I would put it in this little bar here so I can see everything at a glance for the week, and it's been doing really well, and I've been keeping up with my appointments. But yeah, that is my update for my planner. Okay, so now a little bit of Poi Hun updates. I've been spending January working on hiring for marketing because I know I'll be out of commission for at least 2 to 3 months, and definitely need someone to step in and help with marketing, social media posts, TikToks, just anything in general relates to marketing. I finally was able to meet up with someone this week, and so far she's been super good, and I just have a little bit more questions for her before I decide if she's the fit. But now that we're at the end of January, I'm thinking there's not a lot of time to train her and get her on speed, so I'm a little bit worried about that, but we'll see how things go. Just kind of have to go with the flow because it has been hard looking for someone that is available. We usually look for people that are in school so that they have more flexibility with time. They're also younger, so they might have more fresh ideas. So it's been a little chaotic over here. And when in doubt, I guess we won't have any social media done, but that's totally fine. I'm not going to be too stressed about it because there's bigger things that are happening and I shouldn't be stressed out about little things like that. So the main thing about Poi Hun is just to get someone to do marketing, and then the second thing is to prep for launches during the first 3 months and then after, because we have to pre-plan everything beforehand since we'll probably be super busy for at least 2 to 3 months. The hubby and I have been super stressed, I guess, with everything in general, that we have been definitely lagging a little bit, so we need to get back into it ASAP or else we're going to be in big trouble. But again, I don't think we should stress too much about it. If it's just a couple of months of not so good sales or not so good media stuff, I think that shouldn't break the bank. I think mainly we just have to calm down, get things done, and when you're ready to go, get back into work and just go with the flow. So yeah, that's an update for Poi Hun. Last but not least, I share about the hobbies that I shared about last month. One of the biggest things I wanted to do was get back into journaling, and I've been doing really well for the month of January. I shared that I got this Hobonichi A6. This is a half-year version, and I've been journaling every single day. I kind of update on my day, what happened. Sometimes I share what I'm feeling. Mainly just sharing what happened during the day and being able to add cute little stickers to decorate has been super fun. And then now that I'm going through it, it feels super nice to hear the sounds of the crinkling paper. But I did pretty well. I didn't skip any day yet, and this is today, which is the 22nd, and I'm absolutely in love. It's just nice to sit down and kind of reflect on your day and see how things went. There's obviously some good and bad days, but it's nice to kind of reflect and look at it in the future again and say, oh, it wasn't that big of a deal. I also shared that I got this Hobonichi Weeks and I was tracking some stuff. It's supposed to be my habit tracker. I've been doing this a lot and using this also every day because I recently got diagnosed with GD because of the baby. Prior to that, I was tracking my weight, steps and symptoms, but now I'm starting to track my meals so that I can see when I have spikes with my blood sugar and stuff like that problem might be, and kind of figure it out from there. It's been a crazy few weeks of learning about diet and nutrition, but I'm actually quite enjoying learning about that. The only thing is obviously when I'm done my pregnancy, the baby is born, I don't have to be as restrictive as I am now, but it's nice to kind of see how the numbers change and how much amount of carbs that I've been eating that I shouldn't be eating that much, but it's nice to know. And I've been eating a lot less, eating more snacks, and I feel like that's a little bit better with my health in general. I feel like I'm not too bloated, I'm not too full, so that's really good. So I've been using my Hobonichi for that, and I've been loving it. Last but not least is my other hobbies that I chatted about. Reading I haven't done much of. I've been more resting instead of being able to read. I get tired super easily and super quick, and I just want to lie there and just enjoy my time, so I haven't been doing much reading. Second thing is coloring. I haven't also been doing that too much too, but I feel like when there is downtime and when I just want to do something, I'll definitely be coloring for sure, especially when I give birth. So I'm excited to share maybe a vlog on that in the future. So if you're interested, let me know. But other than that, that's my update with my hobbies. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my February plan with me. I'm so sad that I probably won't be doing these for a couple of months, and I'm definitely gonna miss doing these with you guys. But don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see my short form content. I do share a lot of Instagram stories, so I'll definitely update you through there instead of on YouTube. But I'm excited to see what's to come. Thank you again so much for watching my video. I hope to see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye!